Hi, I'm Alyssa Johns with the blog HarborHome32.com, and I'm going to bring you along with me as I do a little bit of homemaking today. Whether you are a full-time homemaker or a single gal living in a duplex or with friends in a college dorm, we are all homemakers. We all have spaces that we are responsible for. We most likely have people in our life that we are caring for, whether it's children or friends or an elderly parent or grandparent. We all have an immense opportunity to make the life inside these walls beautiful, orderly, and loving. I didn't get married until I was 30 and didn't have a mortgage until I was almost 32. Most of those 30 years I was just waiting to be a homemaker. But here's the thing, I wish I wouldn't have waited. I wish I would have taken the time to hone my skills and learn to love being at a home so that when the day came, I would just be a little bit more prepared. So if that is you, here's my encouragement to you. Don't wait. You are a homemaker in whatever space God has given you to steward. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make some magic.
go get them?
I have a massive amount of dishes to do. We usually don't do a lot of dishes on Sunday, but today it has bit me in the butt. And now I've got a massive amount of dishes to do. And I have to empty the dishwasher. Even if your dream isn't to be a homemaker, we all have the same tasks to do. We all have to eat, we all need clean windows and dishes. We all have humans and animals to keep alive. Often I have found comfort and a sense of camaraderie in watching other people do the same daily tasks that I have to do. It's like that person on the other end is saying, "Hey, you there, I'm doing the same thing. Come along with me." In my homemaking journey, I have taken myself one step further. I used to want to make things beautiful just so I could have a pretty picture or a sense of accomplishment, but now it has grown into a necessity. I need to put my hand to a part of my house, reimagine it, freshen it up, and create a little beauty to get me through long winter months or difficult days of parenting. Those days are inevitable. It doesn't mean I'm doing anything wrong. In fact, I think it means I'm doing something right. So when I'm having a hard day, I take the time to create a little art, a little life, a little magic in this house to teach my heart that in the midst of difficult winter days, there is beauty to be had.